Say you want shoutouts for your team and customer reviews. Here's how to let customers include staff names with QuickHub. From the QuickHub dashboard, go to Quick Reviews, then open Customize Reviews. Select Staff and toggle Staff Enable. Next, copy the public review link and open it in a new tab to see exactly what your customers will experience. Click Next to move to the review screen. Here, the customer can select the staff member they interacted with. Once chosen, click Regenerate Text to create a suggested review that includes the staff member by name. When you're ready to share, click Share with Google. Select the review you'd like to post, and if prompted, add a short caption. And that's it. Customers can now give credit where it's due, helping highlight standout service and boosting trust in your business.